Find where the tangent lines are horizontal. Well, lines are horizontal when the slope is 0. You can get the slope of a tangent line by taking y prime, the derivative. So in this case, I want when y prime is 0. So let's find out what y prime is. Y prime is going to be drop that 3 down, drop the 3 to x squared, minus 2 times 2, which I think is 4, and drop that squared down to a single x, and the 2 just goes away. Now what I need to do is I need to set that y prime equal to 0, so I'm going to bring that over here, and I'm going to factor that guy out, which only has me pulling out the x and nothing else. So I have 3x minus 4. If 0 equals something times something, you're going to use the zero product property, and you take each factor, set it equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, and 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Add 4, and you get that. Divide by 3, and you get that. So this is the x value. These are the x values, rather, where my tangent line is horizontal. Now, I don't know exactly what these values are, but this is a cubic. Cubics look like this. Okay? Cubics look like that. So at the very tippy top is where you're going to get a horizontal tangent line. And at the very bottomy bottom is where you're going to get a horizontal tangent line. I know this happens at x equals 0. I know this happens at x equals 4/3. What I don't know is the y value. But I can find the y value by taking 0 and 4/3 and plugging it into the original equation. Not the derivative, the original equation, because that gives me the exact locations as to where these tangent lines are horizontal. So let's do the easy one first. Let's find out what y of 0 is, which means I'm going to take 0, plug it into the original equation. So 0 cubed minus 2 times 0 plus 2 is going to be 2. So that, like I said, that was the easy one. 2 minus 2 plus 2. When I plug 0 into the original equation, I get 2, bada bing. Now, not the fun one. When I plug 4/3 into the original equation, I'm going to get 4/3 cubed minus 2 times 4/3 squared plus 2. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 is 16. Times negative 2 is negative 32. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2. Let's make all of these have denominators of 27 so that I can combine fractions without having to use a calculator. So nothing changes there. If I multiply the numerator and the denominator of this guy by 3, that gives me 96 over 27. And if I multiply this guy by 27 over 27, I get plus 54 over 27. And now I can combine all of these fractions. So let's do the positives first because, you know, I like being positive. 64 plus 54 is 118. 118 minus 92 is 22 over 27. Just trying to do this all in my head, making sure I'm not making a mistake. And I think I'm okay. I think that's pretty good. Again, 64 plus 54 is 118. 118 minus 96. I'll take it. So by plugging in 4/3, I now have my 2 points. There they are. There they are. Let me rewrite them out in a color I haven't used yet. Where are these tangent lines horizontal? 0, 2, and 4/3, 22 over 27. There you have it. Now you know exactly. Now you know exactly what to do.